Power from the sun with Harelec.
Hello, my name's Jamie from Harelec, and today we're in our purpose-built manufacturing workshop showing you our hybrid portable modules. This module here consists of hard Australian galvanised steel, an aluminium powder-coated backing plate for our componentry, and in this case a Sunny Island and two Sunny Boy inverters. You'll see on the bottom we have perforated aluminium mesh which prevents the ingress of bugs and rodents and all those nasties that may get into your system and damage some of your cabling. As we walk down the production line, you'll see another system ready to be fitted out by our electricians. You'll see a slightly smaller unit here. You'll see the vents, the cuttings for airflow. This is a smaller unit for 15 kilowatts worth of lithium ion, one Sunny Island and one Sunny Boy, and normally around about 6 to 7 kilowatts worth of solar. If you have a look here at our next model, you'll see a little bit more of the skeleton. You'll see two Sunny Boys in place. You'll see our battery management system. You'll see our circuit breakers or your subboard that goes with your house. So this unit is fully deployable. When it's completed, down the end of the production line, it will weigh approximately 600 kilos. And we test these units inside of our workshop. They're all computer controlled, so if we have any issues there, we can monitor these remotely, which is a very good idea. You'll see we have a generator inlet here, so you can plug up to a 15 amp generator inlet as standard off this particular model. Here's a Sunny Island. Now this Sunny Island here is designed to charge the batteries and discharge the batteries, as opposed to the Sunny Boys, which operate changing DC into AC. So this is an AC coupled system, and by that means that in the daylight hours you have an abundance of AC available, and only what is left over goes through the Sunny Island and into the batteries. Those batteries store the power that you require for nighttime use, and they're not unnecessarily cycled, whereas other DC coupled systems will tend to unnecessarily cycle the DC through the system. Here you'll see a much larger system. This system, when it's completed, will handle up to 45 kilowatts worth of lithium ion batteries. You'll see it has two large 8 kilowatt SMA Sunny Islands and 4 additional Sunny Boys. So when this one's completed, it'll have 26 kilowatts worth of solar on it and 45 kilowatt hours worth of lithium ion batteries. You'll see it's constructed in a very similar manner, just a little bit bigger. And in this case here, the customer has asked to have 4 specific loads that can be controlled by the relays inside here, which allow us to dump power or turn loads on when we've got an abundance of battery or an abundance of daytime solar load. So as we walk down the production line, you'll begin to see this one here has wheels. So when we've completed this here and it is tested, there's a couple of modules here that are being tested as we speak. We'll actually put them on the wheels. We'll take them out of our workshop, put them onto our trailer, and we'll actually take them fully tested to your site. So there's no ifs, there's no buts, there's no, oh, does it work or doesn't it work? We know before it leaves here, it's fully tested. And when you get to site, you'll see that there's instructions for you. So they're very simple in operation. They only have 3 buttons, and from this here, we can show you exactly how to do that. We have remote monitoring, which is available. That remote monitoring, you can either use your own PC or you can use your iPhone or an iPad, and that'll give you access to these. You'll see they don't have screens directly, but that'll give you access to what you need. Inside one of these here, you'll see that we have a main switch for your house. We have a spare here, should you have a shed or something like that. We have inverter number 1, which turns this baby on, inverter number 2, which turns this one on over here, and then we have a generator, which in this case is for a large 32 amp generator, which the customer's required. We have an RCD here for your 2 power points. So the day you install this, or the day we install this for you, it's there ready to go to provide power. We also have a hot water dump. Now a hot water dump allows us to turn a hot water on when the batteries are going above 90% charge, and in this case between the hours of 10 and 3. We can also change those for other things, but if you're managing your system and you don't have sun for a couple of days or things are down, you can make a decision if you want to use the hot water boost. The hot water boost here in this case comes on for 2 hours and will not stay on. It auto times out, so it can't be reset until you turn it on again, therefore controlling the amount of power you use. So there you have it. You have a tour of our production facility, and here you have an additional 2 systems here that have been tested, sitting on their bases and their wheels, ready to go out. These are due for delivery this week. Inside of those, Cliffy, can you please bring a pair of pliers over here, mate? I just want to open this one up. If you can, we remove this and I'll give people a bit of a look at the lithium-ion battery system. The beauty of the lithium-ion battery system that we're using today is currently a BYD system. Now that BYD system, I'll give you a lift off with it. Just sit it on the ground, mate. As you'll see here, this system here has approximately 20 kilowatt hours worth of lithium-ion batteries in it. It has the ability to have another 10 kilowatts added to it at a later point in time. These batteries here are all 48 volts and are individually connected back to the Sunny Island. So if we do lose a particular battery for any particular problem we may have with it, that it doesn't stop the whole system from working. They're quite a smart battery. They're connected and managed via our battery management card, and therefore all of the charging is done and controlled by the battery management unit. So we can have one battery indiscriminately charged while another's not charging. They're all daisy chained, they all talk to each other, so it's quite a smart system. And again, if we do have an issue with the battery, we can remove a battery and replace a battery, or it gives us the time and redundancy required for us to make a service call. But again, all this is modular, deployable, and again, weighs under 600 kilos in its current form. And this is about all you'll need for a house, 3 or 4 bedroom house with 3 or 4 people. We do suggest a generator. Again, the generator is dependent on the size and your needs. Again, you'll see they range from 32 amps up to about, from 32 amps down to around about 10 amps, which is about the capacity that the Sunny Island can handle. So there you have it today. What should be 5 or 6 happy customers in front of you in our production line. If you do have any questions or inquiries about our systems, please by all means give us a call today at Harelec. Thank you very much.
Power from the sun with Harelec for home, industry or on the farm.
Before you buy just any solar power system, make sure you talk to us.
Harelec Services, your solar power specialists.